12 seconds. That's the amount of time it takes for Hong Kong citizens to clear immigration at many border checkpoints. And it's a feat they accomplished more than a decade ago.
The first e-channel introduced in Hong Kong is in 2004. At that period of time, maybe this is only Hong Kong is the first region in the world to introduce the e-channel service.
Yet, despite being a pioneer in the field, Hong Kong's e-channels have so far been inaccessible to one segment of the population, the visually impaired. Around 2.4% of the population of Hong Kong is visually impaired, feeling their way around an explosion of narrow streets, crowds, sounds and smells, and marginalised from opportunities to work, learn and travel.
Blind people do want to be traveling as independently as other people.
Previously, the blind had to either cross the immigration e-channels with assistance or via the traditional counters, which heightened the sense of alienation.
The Blind Union made a suggestion to the Immigration Department in 2011 to make audible signals available for blind travelers. It took another year or so for the device to be installed and operational.
The design of the new channel was in fact spearheaded by the Blind Union, complete with tactile guided paths.
It guides a person through the process of where to put in the identity card, the opening of the door, where to put the finger for fingerprint checking, and then the final opening of the door. So every step in the way is guided by a voice signal.
So far, there's only been 3 such channels installed at borders with China and Macau. Plans to roll out the scheme at other ports, including the airport, are currently being reviewed. But the innovative scheme has already been embraced by visually impaired travellers and has inspired other governments too.
Apparently, this is a world example. We have received an inquiry from the European Union to study the practice here in Hong Kong.
Andrew Stevens, CNN, Hong Kong.